Today, we stand together to honor the courage, strength, and voice of our youth. June 16th marks a powerful chapter in our history. Day, a time to remember the brave students of 1976 who stood up for justice and equality in Solar 2. As we celebrate today, we not only reflecting on their legacy, but we also shine a light on the hopes, dreams, and potential of every young person in our nation.
Okay, let's go. Hallelujah. Welcome to another smashing episode of Potchet 101. Of course, it's your boy Tasco, the host of the show. Yeah, special episode, Bras.
Yes.
Nikren. Nikren for a special episode.
Number one.
Nethi wena msana wena kade awuthanda dress code awuzwani nomthetho.
Oh, me. Hey, guys. Uthisha omkhulu actually.
Tisha ne. Introducing my boy Phakathi, the one and only Sanele Z.
Sanele Z. Pa.
Skipani jayam.
Angimnandi boy.
Umnandi.
Akakhulu.
Neta awulandeli umthetho.
Yeah, no, dress code.
Umhlobo
Doesn't believe in dress code.
yeah, umhlobo yakho all white party nge all black.
Yes.
Uthange bangixosha.
And intwana yami madoda, the
Oi,
fat
oi,
one,
oi,
the
oi,
one
oi,
and
oi,
only
oi,
Se
hola,
Bavaria.
Hola.
Aba kanjani boy?
Shafida.
Yeah, guys, before siyakude, we have a special announcement introducing the one and only, the first sponsor of Potchet 101. Please make some noise for the one and only Ozone Vodka. Guys, please make sure go to a totally Ozone Vodka. You drink it and you be in the zone.
Yeah.
Izibonile mina inja yami in the zone.
Yeah, Sanele was in the zone.
Yeah, I was in the zone. Guys, Ozone Vodka, it's a brand that's sebenza nayo. I love it. It's mostly used for cocktails.
Yeah.
Yes.
Cocktail vodka,
Yeah,
kahle.
cocktail vodka.
Coming all the way from Russia.
Russia, yeah.
Oh, guys, if you want the Ozone Vodka, you can call us. We'll put the number below, or you can call the owner. Sizomfaka la. We're still gonna have him. Sibe naye. Mara so far I enjoy a pras.
Yeah.
Oh, now you enjoy.
Musukufana ufuna ukwazi yonke into.
Uyema lapha.
Yeah,
Yes.
man.
Guys, i-Ozone Vodka nithola Solwandle Launch, Exit Car Wash, Spa Tops eMarine Walk, Spa Tops eFlorida, MMM Liquor Store eMlazi, kuthuleni Tavern eMlazi, Luthuli Beverages and M Section kwaJu. All right. Guys, namhlanje special edition. Hey, yabona isikhu. Special edition. Say June 16.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Skipani press. Niyazi mari June 16 or ni youth yensuku zokugcina.
Mara kuyazisho bafundi bami.
Oh, bafundi bak. But do you think youth here today still matches the energy youth here June 16 1976?
No.
Mhlampe in my points mhlampe ngakusho, the difference is ukuthi manje we are living in a free country.
Yeah.
Isikhathi esiphila kuso si free, then ingcindezi ekade bephila kuyona bona ngalesi sikhathi. So kunezinto bona kade ngizothina ukushintsha kwesikhathi, time change.
Yeah.
So sishintshile nje kakhulu isikhathi, then bona bebephila esikhathini sokuthi ngo 6 no one should be in town.
Yeah,
No
and
one
it was
should be in
force.
town.
It was a force.
By
It wasn't
force.
something that they were doing voluntarily.
Yeah.
They were forced to do it.
to do that.
Yes.
Yeah.
So nje isikhathi ayifani.
Mara wena ngathi awuvumi naye nje.
Yeah, ngiyavuma. But then mina ngibona ngathi se-shiftile eku-celebrate June 16.
The way
se-celebrate ngakhona.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Even the celebration, I see celebration. You celebrate what was happening.
No,
I
no,
feel
no,
like
no,
people
no.
don't understand
No, yeah,
why
not
we're
anymore,
celebrating
yeah.
June 16.
Yes.
Yeah, because se-shiftile, like it's shiftile, Joe. Shiftile.
Asafundi ngayo. There's
no,
nothing said.
no.
Even the yatibona isikhuwa, the sacrifice abayenza, I feel like it's in vain now.
Most
Because
people-
plus, as we have to be honest, that although they had a motive to do what they were doing, but they were inspired. They had a goal. They had something they needed to achieve, and they achieved it. Like they were working towards one common goal. Pelanje, our common goal as youth here today, we should be focused in. It's no longer about freedom.
Yes.
It's about financial freedom,
Yeah,
having
yeah,
your own
yeah.
things, opening your own business, being open-minded. Siyeke look ba stereotype nan. But I feel like we are not inspired to do that.
No.
Instead, we smoke drugs,
Drink alcohol.
we drink alcohol, especially abafazi. And niyaphuza abafazi. Ayingeke.
Yeah, abafasi sebaphuza ukudlula amadoda.
My question is,
Mm.
are we really, really, really free?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In terms of freedom.
Nah, lapho si-free.
But in terms of it's as the system, no, we're not free.
Academically?
No. No.
Why would you know? Because
Still the education kukamanje is not yet free. Usabhadela ukufunda chief.
ngathi bayivalile mos that law ukuthi iNSFAS it's a loan, it's not a what was a bursary.
Yeah.
It's like it's ngathi it's no longer a loan, you don't have to pay it back. I
Yeah.
stand to be corrected, but I think I had something like that ukuthi
No, mina I'm saying because I had ngine information ukuthi as soon as you get the job you pay.
You're
for
paying it.
Yeah. Mna
you pay for it.
Yeah, mna ngazi.
We stand to be corrected that on that one. Mele sithole
Yeah, someone who
Effect
has a knowledge,
checker.
Yeah.
bus correct, but
So, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I mean, what can I can say about 2016? Guys, we shouldn't like imisebenzi abayenzile laba mfethu
Yeah.
labaphansi
Yeah.
singayenzi mfethu ukuthi be useless.
Yeah.
We must live
Yeah.
to their legacy.
Yeah.
Bona-
Yeah.
we-
Yeah.
We must live to ukuthi bona mfethu they fought.
Yeah,
for
Mike
ukuthi
yakho,
thina
yeah.
sibe free.
Yeah.
Kahle if we are talking about June, we are talking about Youth Month.
Yeah.
yes,
We are talking about
the month
activities.
as a whole.
We are talking about activities. So we need to initiate ukuthi sikhulume nabantu fethu, speak to ikhansela ukuthi thina sifuna ukuthi senze into ekanje for June 16 because izinto ezingasenakwa lezi manje njengoba sikhuluma ukuthi ayisanakwa lento.
But do you think youth it's not motivated enough? Like their motivations, their career guides, their everything. If you choose to go astray, it's uyazikhetela wena Joe. It's not a fault, or we can't put the blame on someone else.
No, I can say going back to the time esiphila kuso. I think ifethu izinto esesizenza kakhulu ezabantu abasha sesilekhile ekufocuseni ezintweni ezizosisa phambili kakhulu.
Yeah.
So thina we are focusing kakhulu ebumnandini.
Yeah, true.
Yabo. You'd see mfethu ingane yesikolo going to school ingalalanga.
Yeah, no.
Like he or she is going to school.
You know,
And then-
the sad part about what you're saying, it's no longer I'm a student of varsity nan. Even ingane
even
zesikolo
secondary
in high school.
Yeah, high school.
Bayasela Joe.
Kakhulu.
Mina nangise high school utshwala bengaqali
No,
nokuqala
no,
bra.
no,
Like
no.
I wasn't even looking
No,
at direction
no,
yobia.
These are things our government should look at. Yabo izinto ezikanje ezizokwazi ukuthi yabo mfethu if kungabuya iattention kakhulu to youth. Yabo kakhulukazi emphakathini. We kuyaleka mfethu italente kunabantu kunengane talented ezidlala khona into ekuthiwa isincobholo. I don't know leli bholo le plastic ne.
Yeah.
Ubona
Ama challenge.
Yabo lengane idinga ukuthi nje 1 2 1 2 lama basics
Yeah.
ezokwazi ukuthi akhulise italente lakhe.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
kule yakuyaleka. There's no focus in indawo amalokishi.
Mina angazi what changed though. Yazi the time usfunda and the time isikhathi sanje
Yeah.
is different. Izinto zitholakala lula esigela.
Yes.
Zenzeka lula.
Yes.
There are some things ezenzeka esigela in my times bengeke zenzeke. Lalo teacher
Yeah, that's true. Yazi mina my question was in what you are saying. Am I growing up? Am I outgrowing some of the things,
Yes.
or vele change
No,
vele
no,
na?
we are growing.
We are growing.
We are growing.
But
net umqondo Joy idida ngisemqondweni we think you still young just bakhulu
Sibakhulu.
sibakhulu
No.
Joy isibakhulu nje phela
Yeah.
Umkhulu.
no
Bona intshebe.
no Joy we are in our late 20s Joy
Yo.
20s
Yo.
so la so ukuthi ku 30
Bra.
sichithe isikolo
Plus thina nje
Yena,
asaphili
guys,
nokuphila.
yena, guys. I'm not sharing my age. Not at all.
No, mara obvious you are on your late 30s. Bra.
Yeah. So nje bafethu we need to look at these things bafethu ngendlela ehlukile yabo. Mina ke ngumuntu oyithandayo nento enhle eyaphambili yabo. So yabona nje if ngathiwa I get a chance thiwa nje no you are given a chance lapha la kuzokhuluma khona upresident and then usho into oyifisayo ukuthi yenzeke and then you have like 2 minutes ukuthi usho. I would say bafethu if ugovernment akayeke ukufocusa in their own things kakhulu ekuthenini mina I want to get in power and then they're losing focus to bona labantu who have put them ukuthi la bemele babe khona. So they need to focus kakhulu yabo youth iyona government wakusasa.
The government is for the people, by the people, to the people.
Yes. So yabona uqedile. Wow.
uyithatha
Yes.
wethu uyithatha
Education is not my strength, but
Yabona bafethu yabona this is a very serious topic bafethu. This is a very serious topic.
but yazi
We
mina
have para guys all through.
Yo.
There's no focus in youth.
yeah
Yabo mfethu yabo la idepend. What is this place?
A town.
Le bridge lapha. I'm not sure if kusagcwele kaso.
Oh yeah, batlinile bathi ngazi bathi baba movele kuphi.
leli
Yes.
towards Moses Mapita
But on the other side. Kunale ndawo man yase Durban la ngathi kune mayimayo yaka Durban no
yes,
some
yes.
somewhere.
Yeah.
Batlinile amaphara ngazi baba movele kuphi.
If you tend to look abantu abalapha there are even families.
Bra.
How painful it is.
Bra ngathi ngeke kadlula lapha one time bra. Lapha yazi yi rank yamaphara bra.
They are living
Iphara ngephara. I've never seen so much paras in one place.
Yes. Yes, iyona lento engisho ukuthi yabo mfethu lento yabo mangabe if you are umuntu yabo you should feel the actual pain ukuthi yo our country.
Yeah.
Understand.
Yeah, guys,
Okay.
yeah, sesodlala iquiz manje. Producer isiphathele quiz so check knowledge ukuthi
Dom mina Dom
ukuthi how well do we know of the day June 16? Mina ngithini ngono ngoba ngizikhulumele ngathi esikolweni bengifika ngo9. So stay tuned. Pa. Yeah, sibuyile brass quiz yethu. Everyone the rules everyone uphethe to ABC. The producer is going to ask questions and the winner of course it's me but asikho lapho.
funny you are funny
Mina ngizothi uyahlekisa.
Asikho lapho and then the dliwa uzophuza oh sikhuluma naye uzophuza la benzeni msaba bangafuni ukwenzani msana
bangafuna ukwazi yonke into
yeah ningafuni ukwazi yonke into ukuthi khonani la but the dliwa is about to sip this danko.
Quiz time. Who is the boy in the famous photograph taken during the Soweto uprising? A. Steve Biko, B. Nelson Mandela, or C. Hector Peterson? The correct answer is C. Hector Peterson.
See.
Yeah. See. Matazo phakamiso A. Hayi mfana
Wrong.
bowler.
Uthe Steve Biko. No. See.
Nangu C. Oragabona.
What were the students protesting against in 1976? A. School fees. B. Afrikaans as a medium of instruction. Or C. Equal rights. The correct answer is B. Afrikaans as a medium of instruction.
Yeah, uyakopa. Hey, uyangikopela guys. Uyangikopela.
No,
What is the name of the memorial site dedicated to a young martyr of the Soweto uprising?
Options please.
A. June 16th Memorial Acre. B. Youth Freedom Museum. Or C. Hector Peterson Memorial. The correct answer is C. Hector Peterson Memorial.
Uyithole right usanele.
phela kumnandi kumele kube khona.
Ayilebe
At least
ibetha.
now right.
Lebe ipapatla nami ngigezile.
Where did Hector Peterson died? A. On the street. B. In a car. Or C. In hospital. The correct answer is A. On the street.
Wakutsheli utitshera wathi ungabi njalo uzokuba nomono sesemncane.
Ay.
I can see that growing.
Okay. No, not your paper.
Youth Day was initially known as A. Students' Day. B. Soweto Day. Or C. Education Freedom Day. The correct answer is B. Soweto Day.
Sirongile sethu.
What does this statue represent? A. A king from Zulu history. B. The bravery of the youth in 1976. Or C. Hector Peterson.
Akasekho B akasekho C malume.
But
The correct answer is B. The bravery of the youth in 1976.
Yeah.
But please
Yebo.
say A.
Give her wrong.
Yebo.
Ay, lenga ithuna la ka Peter said.
Please say
Ithuna.
Please say A.
Abonga khamba ma school. Bonga khamba.
That keka museum phela.
Bonga khamba ma school trip. Nakhona if boyile bonga lalela umuntu okhuluma. Bowudla umphako wena. Number 7.
Yokuphuza mina.
What was the name of the main group that fought against apartheid? A. African National Congress. B. African Against Apartheid. Or C. Democratic Alliance. The correct answer is A.
Aw sweke.
African National Congress.
Are you calculating?
Ayiqe. Omunye una 3. Sithule ngabo senza ngathi asazi.
No. Yabona ke no.
Uyabona ke. Hayi.
Why is June 16th special? A. Youth celebrating free education. B. Youth celebrating school uniform. Or C. Commemoration of those killed during Soweto uprising. The correct answer is C. Commemoration of those killed during Soweto uprising.
We.
En ben 30 years.
Urongile. Ene soke sikopela sanele wena ngeke. Yeah, athule. Hey, ayish.
How many students protested against Bantu Education Act in 1976? A. 10,000. B. 20,000. Or C. 15,000. The correct answer is B. 20,000.
Yay.
Ngithe 50. Hey,
10,000.
Mara, 15,000 yabantu.
Amari 50,000 isi. Alright. Ah, no, hey. Aliskat tara. Khona sekugcineni.
How old was Hector Peterson when he died? A. 20 years. B. 12 years. Or C. 15 years. The correct answer is B. 12 years.
Niyapetas. Khona sekugcineni
When
ngiyazazi.
17?
Which international actress played a teacher in the movie Serafina? A. Whoopi Goldberg. B. Halle Berry. Or C. Cynthia Rothrock. The correct answer is A. Whoopi Goldberg.
Seniyalingana ngama-wrong.
Uyophuza wena.
And utshwile wathi ngiyakhe. Eh.
What was Samizi Mlongo's character name in the movie Serafina? A. Crocodile. B. Samizi. C. Ingwe. The correct answer is A. Crocodile.
Yes!
No,
Yes! Yaphuza wena.
Utheni Zulu?
Ngithe wrong mara mina wena bowuphambili ngama-wrong. So edile nami nga-eda usho yaphuza.
Hayi ngagama phesheya.
What? Nakhada sikaqedi.
Wait.
Which South African actress played Serafina in the movie Serafina? A. Laleti Kumalo. B. Miriam Makeba. Or C. Wendy Mselaku.
Can I please repeat the
No.
The correct answer is Laleti Kumalo.
Ulayekile. Uyaphuza ku-TV. Mina nawe siyalingana. Warong ulingana nomkhalu.
What was Hector Peterson's other name?
Ah.
A. Zolila. B. Danny. C. Solomon. The correct answer is A. Zolila.
Uyaphuza ku-TV. Ayasondela. Ufuna konsaseta. Nansi fomo. Phuza dayideng. Phuza dayideng. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Guys, quick question before we close. Name 2 artists that can fill up a stadium anytime from now.
And
Comes at a small. Kabza the Small.
And dance.
Yeah, I can feel.
No, not
And
alone.
dance.
Not a one-man show. Not a one-man show.
Okay, for me it's Kabza, Casper Nyovest.
I can
Pori.
I can Kabza and Pori is one thing.
No, it's not one thing.
It's one thing.
No, it's not one thing.
It's one thing.
If you say it's one thing, so to Ukabza, Uyegu Red Bull, I won. And they were it was a success. Upor was not part of it.
When I now tell Red Bull Upor is not part of it. As we tell
He's a part of it. No.
Look at the production.
No, production.
The songs produced. Pori was part of the songs played on that set.
Ngiala. Upori came there because it was featured on the songs. But that is, I don't know.
Okay, can I? Asizwane. Akhuluma uthisha.
Ina,